He's been waiting for this day for the last 5 years, and he's campaigning very hard in this entire election. Joining us now, Mr. Manohar Parrikar. So, the next Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar.
I don't know. That is up to the party, legislature party.
But I'm sure you would want to be.
Definitely. I have been leader of opposition. So obviously the natural choice happens to be me. But party ultimately decides. Even if it is known that I am the leader, it has to go through the process of electing the party leader.
Now, in many of the areas where you have won, South Goa, these were Christian strongholds really, not really your bastion. But you have made inroads this time and won several seats also. Was it a fallout of the fact that your Hindutva agenda was allegedly, watered down?
See, I have always put up development agenda, and I have assured people of Goa, whether they are belonging to Hindu faith, Catholic or Muslim, that they will all get justice and they will be all properly represented in the government. It will be a government which take all these communities into confidence. You can't run Goa in a lopsided manner. You can't run with some 60% of the population or 70% of the population. I need 100%.
But many would say this was more a vote against the Congress than for the BJP.
No, I don't think. It is both. Whereas we have won, and we have won with huge margin. Like I believe, I don't know the final margin, but my own margin will be more than 6,500. And most of our candidates have won by more than 3,000 votes. It is also anti-Congress because wherever we don't have strength, people have rejected Congress candidates.
Family Raj was one issue you raised, and many of those candidates have been routed. Alemaus, the Nayaks, all are in danger zone. You think that's exactly what the people didn't want? You got the pulse of the people right there?
Yes, because people saw them as an extension of further corruption. See, it was two hands already looting the state, and they saw it as more people joining to loot the state. So there was more anger. Anger increased.
My last question, you have raised the issue of illegal mining in Goa, the PAC report. What sort of action will Manohar Parrikar's government take against all those who are responsible for illegal mining?
See, first of all, illegal mining will stop. Those who have done illegal mining, they will pay the price for it. And I believe Shah Commission report will come soon. Otherwise, we will wait for Lok Ayukta to be appointed and hand over the cases to Lok Ayukta.
Many congressmen feel there will be vendetta against them.
No, let them face the whatever they have to explain to Lok Ayukta. I will not take direct action.
Many congratulations once again. That was Manohar Parrikar, perhaps, of course, going to be the next Chief Minister of Goa here. But we'll have to wait for the final results. Until then, it's back to you in Delhi.
The NDTV News app had redefined the entire genre. Now, another market beater. It's already hit #1.
NDTV Profit, India's #1 finance app. Download free at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Live stream of NDTV Profit, market news, and your easy-to-manage portfolio. Download now, ndtvprofit.com/apps.